Hello everyone, my name is Spursh and welcome back in another video on Just a Tech YouTube channel. So in today's video we will discuss about everything related to iOS 14, like how to update to iOS 14 if you are on iOS 13 without any issues, and how to solve iOS 14 system related problems you face while updating or downloading stuff like that. And one more exciting offer for you guys, you will get a chance to win the latest upcoming iPhone 12 for free. All you need to do is to watch the full video till the end. So without wasting time, let's get started. So this video is brought to you by Wondershare Doctor Phone. It's a complete toolkit which have various tools for managing your iPhone, iPad or iPod completely. They offer iOS system repair tools for updating, downloading, repair stuff like that, and data recovery, data transfer, screen unlock tools and many more. And it also supports the latest iOS 14. And they have a great offer for you guys to get a chance to win the latest upcoming iPhone 12 for free. I will show you in this video like how to participate in that, so don't skip any part of the video. And with the launch of iOS 14, you will get the huge improvement as compared to the iOS 13 feature. You will get new widgets, new app library, new terms of privacy and security with improvements in Maps and Siri, and the new Safari browser which have a privacy report button to understand the website to treat your privacy more securely. So if you have a compatible device with the iOS 14, you can check out this list and you can get the iOS 14 update. And if you are previously on iOS 13, you can easily update your device to the iOS 14. So the next step is how to update to iOS 14. So there are mainly three methods to update to iOS 14. One is wireless method with your device update settings or from the iTunes. But still, if you are beginner and don't want to mess up with the things and worry about your data loss, so you can use the one-click tool, that is Doctor Phone Toolkit. You can update to iOS 14 with a single click, so no data loss, no need of iTunes, and fix all iOS related issues like boot loops, crashing, black screen, recovery stuff and many more. So it's a more easy and the simple way to update to iOS 14 with the Doctor Phone Toolkit. Now you all guys are waiting to get a chance to win iPhone 12 for free. So here is a Doctor Phone free iOS update plan in which we will get Doctor Phone iOS system repair tool to fix all iOS 14 related issue just in single click. Also you get 40% coupon on the product, so you can check out the rules below, in which all you need to do is to vote for win the iPhone 12. Just select one of the below option, like I already update to iOS 14, or within 1 week of the launch, or after 1 week, or you don't want to update. So I will select the first option, I already update to iOS 14, enter the email ID below and then click on submit. Now after download the tools from the description link, just click on install and it will install the Wondershare Doctor Phone Toolkit. Now after that, click on start now. Now you will see so many options that are provided by the Wondershare Doctor Phone Toolkit. So I am focusing on the system iOS repair problems, so just click on system repair. Now on the first column, that is iOS repair, you will see two modes. One is standard mode and the other is advanced mode. In the standard mode, the data will be saved, so no data loss while updating or fixing the iOS system repairing options. And the advanced mode will erase your data, so you can choose according to that. And this tool can repair all the iOS system related issues including recovery stuck, boot loop issues, stuck on Apple logo and many more. So you can see all the problems that are displaying on the screen this tool can fix. So you can try this tool to fix your all issues. It's very easy. You can just connect your device and click on start repair and choose your fixing mode, that is standard or advanced according to that. And you can also use this tool to downgrade the iOS system, but for that the previous iOS version is currently signed by Apple, so you can do that. And with this tool you can also fix the Android system related issues, so you can check out this tool for repairing your Android device also. And you can also repair the iTunes, so if you face any missing drivers of iTunes, connection error, sync error, or you can repair whole the iTunes setup with this tool, so it's very great thing. Now I have an iPhone that are stuck on Apple logo, so I will repair that with this tool. So I will click on standard mode because I don't want to lose my data. So after that you have to put your device into recovery mode. So you will get the instruction on the screen, so according to your device you can put your device into recovery mode. So first I will switch off my device. So I have to press the home button and the power button, and after that connect to the cable and press the home button simultaneously. After that you will see your device into recovery mode. Now after that your device will be detected by the tool. After that, you will see your device information and the currently signed iOS version, that is 14.0.1 and 14.0. So if you are on 14.0.1 and you don't like it, you can downgrade with this tool to the 14.0. After that, you have to select the IPSW. You can directly download from this tool, but if you want to import and you have already the IPSW, you can import with this tool and just click on repair. Now the repair process started, so don't disconnect your cable. After that, it will complete repair your process and your phone will be automatically start. So wait for that to get complete. Now the repair has been done. Now your phone will be boot up directly to the home screen. So just wait for that. Now my phone is repaired. As you can see, there is no more issue and it is latest update to the iOS 14 and all my data is also saved. So this is how you can repair iOS system related errors by the Wondershare Doctaphone iOS system repair tool. So all the links are in description. Do check out the website for complete information and vote for iPhone 12 and you will get a chance to win it and get 40% extra off on the Doctaphone toolkit. So this is all for today. I hope you like this video and share with your friends. So till then, goodbye, take care and peace out.